guys, Dom here, and you should realise it's a little darker than normal because it's freaking raining a lot. That's what you get for being in Britain. British summers. Look at it. You don't see the rain very much, do you? I'll have to take you to the place where the sound is amplified. In my conservatory, you hear every single drop of rain, no matter how little. Did you hear that? That's the sound of rain. And it's not very nice rain. What's this up? Hello, Georgia. Hello, Shelly. You alright? That's good. It is in this little box thing. When it's raining, there's an indoor run. Once you got outside, there's in there, in that wooden structure. But it's too cold today, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Too cold and rainy. Hopefully, showers of frost should come today. I mean, that's me saying hopefully, because things never do turn up. Ever. Yeah, it is. Jumping is good. Yeah. Well, today in the paper I saw something saying there was a cure to Alzheimer's. I don't know how you say it, even though I saw a film. Didn't those people watch Rise of the Planet of the Apes? Didn't they realise if they tested it on chimps, and the chimps would go, "Oh no, we're going to go crazy and amazing," and then they'd make something to stop it. Now that they did that, they'd make a disease which killed all the humans. Oh, what's wrong with them? They're very silly scientists. Let's see what's on the internet today. Uninteresting. Go click on the... No, there we go. My computer's hopeless. Oh, no. Hurry up. Hurry up. It's really bad to... I'm really bad at focusing onto this. Not interested, not interested. Not interested. That's a pretty good video. Portal no escape, that's pretty good. I would show it to you, but I can't be bothered. Wireless printer of viscosity. Note boring. I think I should put some lights on. I'll put the magical lamp on. Magical lamp. There I got my father, and he's all sitting there like a cool kid. Look how tall he is compared to everybody else. He's clearly the tallest figure I have. I just need to rip a song, to be honest. If I need to rip a song, if they have to make a Rory, I'll get him. Oh, light. It's artificial light. It's not good for your soul. It's so dark. Everything here is like a blue. So what happens when it rains? Well, it rains in Britain anyway. Always rains. Angry birds. I'm trying to get a fashion started in which everyone wears it on their jeans, like there and there. I just thought it would be cool because I've been wearing them around places. I just thought it would be cool. But starting fashion trends is a lot harder than people think. It's not even just going to Primark and get some flashy sunglasses and then therefore they're done. You have to physically work hard to get other people wearing it. Light. Darkness, lightness, darkness, lightness, darkness, lightness, darkness, lightness, darkness, lightness, darkness, lightness. darkness. Birds. 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 Birds flying like a birdie nest. I'm going to go now with this hard light in my face. I don't see how film people do it, because there's only lights in my face to get good lighting. It burns. Outro of lightness. Burn.